Dark Angels 112 here, finally with another Let's Play. So, this is my father, obviously. So, I can't even remember where we left off, guys. But, continue. There we go. Okay, now we're ready. Which father? Reception? I don't know. What happened in the reception? God damn it. Wait, did I reset up the fire? No! I didn't. Am I supposed to climb up the bucket or something? There's a hole in that bucket. There's a hole in this vagina! What, did I just say that? No, I didn't, actually. Hold on, the gutter. Where am I? Oh, wait, let me see that. Okay. Oh, wait. Do I need to come from here? I have no idea where we are, guys. I get no information? Okay, I see how it is. Nope. Nope. Toilet. Perfect. Thank you for that explanation. Okay, now where are we? God damn it. Stop it. Go! God damn it. Oh shit. Shit. Run. Okay, what am I supposed to do? Beloved doll. My favorite teddy bear. The Dark Quartet. Red-Eyed Stranger. Yes. Bunny's gonna go on adventures with us. No idea what I'm supposed to do, guys. Snowball loves father too, don't you? Snowball! I can be as loud as I want because I'm balloon. What do I do? Your legs hurt too. I'm worried. Snowball! Where did you get to? I was so worried when you disappeared. I couldn't wrap up that room with you running around. Wait, huh? Your wound's healed. Phew! What a troublesome rabbit. Oh my gosh, please look at him. Oh god, it's so disgusting. It's not disgusting, but I mean, what? Why does she just call her dad father instead of just dad, and then she says mom to the mother? Yeah! Try not to let Snowball out of your sight, will you? The rabbit made a mess of the kitchen. Enter! Oh. Sorry. Snowball must have been trying to get a bite of Maria's cooking again, huh? Snowball? Did you find Snowball fire? Yes, and healed that leg wound while I was at it. Good thing Father's around, huh, Snowball? Yeah, and the rabbit's gonna eat some. That's all. Thank you. Thank you, Father! You took the words right out of my mouth. Snowball's no longer of the family, treated as well as any other. Yeah! Okay, well, what are we gonna do with this fucking rabbit? Let's go save father together. Funny adventures! Okay, we have a rabbit. Now what's in this? Box full of memories. Am I supposed to fall asleep actually? Nope. No, I'm not. What am I supposed to do? Nothing here. Fucking hell! I don't even know what to do. What is I'm supposed to do? So lost. Go for it! Yes! Bitch! Damn it! Have I burned up this bitch yet? Nope. Oh god. Nope. Shit. Nope. Nope. There we are. X. Go back to the other side. Oil. Okay, I don't need. No! Sorry. How much fucking combine these things? Oh my god. Fucking lot. Damn it. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, guys. I don't understand. Go, 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 go. Die, 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 die. Darn, darn. Jim! There's something here. Oh, it's a pennant. Pardon me. Wait, what is that supposed to be? Nothing. There you go. It's so dark outside. No one cares. What the hell am I supposed to do with this freaking pendant? Jacob! Why does it disappear? I don't want to go in this freaking room. Why is that one locked? I don't even know what to do anymore. Guys, I'm so stuck. Next. Where did the pendant go? Let's see. There's something written on here, right? No. I sent someone. I love how you can do that. I'm stressed. It's so hard to read books. Okay then. Small flower. Did I not unlock Yeah. Hold on. What was it? Fuck. Did I not have it? Yeah, I know. It doesn't seem to work because I don't put one in. Mom's bed. No sexy times? Oh no. Guys, this is gonna be really hard not to cheat on. I don't know what to do. Oh. I'm convinced. Fucking hell! That scared the shiitake mushrooms out of me, guys. I don't know what to do. Complain. That's all I do, guys. Mannequin doll. The details, it barely seems like a doll. Well, somebody has one of them. It's a gorgeous chick. This is where I go. Where do I go? Burger. Fucking hell. What are you for? I don't understand. Do I have to go back hell. Keep that sound. No, how am I supposed to get you together? Yes, you can, bitch. Fucking hell, why is the dog eating that person? I don't know what to do! Okay. Where am I supposed to go? I'm so limited. Fuck yes, I've gotten so good at that. I used to die like all the time. Anything? There's a hole in the bucket. Yep. So hot. Yep. Fucking hell! I don't even know what to do. This is pretty much just 15 minutes of me being lost. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my god, where do I go? Okay, y'all. What? Okay. Yeah. Oh, I don't even know what to do with Snowball. Y'all, I've played this game before. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna phone a friend. Oh my god! Just gonna wander around for freaking 20 minutes. That's totally what's gonna happen here. A lot of people. Lots of hard to read books. Brittle and sexual. Yeah. Okay. Play Meg. Handwritten memo in the front. Humans are beautiful, but that beauty soon fades. That is the law of this world. But I have overturned it. After years of research, I have found eternal beauty. A body that will never fade even in death. A body as fresh as when they were still alive. They have eternal beauty within their grasp. That's nice. Can we get over there? Okay, now let's see what's in here. Lots of hard to read books. Oh, well that's lovely. Old books on the occult. Lots of hard to read books. A diary. Exuary X. This is a nightmare. How could this have happened? I killed a bird today. Just like. Okay. Why can't I come here? I'm sure at some point I will. No! Fucking. Oh. Where did this pendant go? Why are you so shy? Nothing you do in there. I'm still kind of looking out the window. My friend is giving me a clue because I don't have one. I really would rather not die. Okay, now, I'm positive that it's this one, right, guys? Am I just insane in thinking that, or am I right? Yeah, probably true. Where's the frickin' dagger, right? Oh, it's toppled. Mr. Share! Nothing special here. Oh my god, what do I do? I'm so frustrated, y'all. But, pretty sure they say, oh, poop. There you go. The kitchen, right? I think so. Okay. I think I got this figured out. Maybe. Maybe not. But, whatever. No. Fine, whatever. Yeah, I know. What is this? Where did this light come from? What is this? Oh, everything's locked. Oh, there's that hole. A hole in the wall. I can fit in there. Well, maybe Snowball could. Oh, okay. Snowball, your time to shine, bruh. Please, Snowball. Please don't get distracted. Because we all know you're just a little rat. Okay. Bunny, bunny, hoppin', bunny, bunny, hoppin', bunny, bunny, bunny. That freaked me out. Lemon oil. So I don't know. Yes. Fucking yes. Okay. Ugh. Ta-da! Freaking locked. Holy hell, mother. Oh my god! Okay. Oh. Was someone behind me? Yes! Just imagining. Oh god, no. Don't imagine! No one needs those thoughts! Okay. Okay. What was it? It was a what? Oh, okay. No. Ooh. Hard. Dein Vater murder. This basically just means your father murders. Or murderer, or whatever. I can't go through here. What should I do? It's like the flame egg. Burn all those in my way. Yeah, I could burn it! But how? Yes. Burn it, bitch. She's a badass little girl. Oh my god. Holy shit! It burns! It burns! It hurts me! Oh, no!
Ich wär so gerne Millionär, dann wär mein Konto niemals leer.
Why are you being so mean? What is going on? Maria. Mistress. No one fucking cares. You're wounded. Ah! But I will be fine. Are you sure? Forget me. Escape somewhere safe. It is dangerous here. Yeah, no, I don't know nothing. Where's father? I heard him scream from my room. Was he in your room? Ah! I must save the doctor. Totally. No. Bitch. Go away. Oof. You can't go with that wound. But, Maria, what happened to father? The doctor is further in. His wife. She... What? His wife? My mom? What do you mean, Maria? Dots. Maria? Yeah, she's out like a light. Why, it seems she's passed out. Oh my god, it's Brasha! You again. At any rate, it sounds like your father has gone on ahead. Deeper into the underground. What did Maria see? My mom passed away, right? What's going on here? Don't tell me the curse. Don't tell me the curse. You'll only be able to confirm your suspicions by pressing up, won't you? He's a bald pressure. I'm gonna fucking follow you, you little bitch. What a weird guy. I know, right? But you love him. I'm pretty sure he's in another game with PewDiePie. It's not an Ib. I don't know what else he's in. Fucking hell. Father! Fucking hell! Boobs. She's really pretty like that, except without the boobs. She doesn't need those boobs. She's all pretty by herself. Mom? Is that you? Wait! I love how she only cares about her husband, but like she just leaves her child right there. Okay, is that really Mom? There's no way I mistook her. That was Mom. Why was even Mom? It must be the curse, right? Haven't you noticed? Fucking hell! What are you doing, Prussia? This tragedy was brought about by the power of a woman's curse. The malice for your father. That malice turned into a curse, seeking out your father's death. Could that woman be... So you do realize, yes, your mother. This can't be! That can't be, I'm sorry. Why do you think that? Because Mom loved Father. But of course, Mom even understood Father's work. And Father loved Mom in return. Wasn't Mom happy? I couldn't believe she has a grudge against Father. But maybe Mom didn't like Father and Maria. Is that normal? Yes. I don't want it to be true, but... So, you'll go find the truth. Sucks. Hey, woman. Fucking music! Ick. Fuck. Fucking hell, no. I gotta do it, don't I? Oh. Take his fucking head! Oh my god. Found it. That's awesome. I'm so happy for you, dude. Lovely. Thanks, Mrs. I'm not married. Thank you very much. Jim! I'm good. Woo, cool. Fuck! Did you all just see that? What the fuck was that? I'm good again.
Zu uns beiden, denn du interessierst ihn wirklich sehr. Und dann sieht
Okay, I got the ladder, I think. I don't like this either. Oh. I was missing it. I fucking have to do that all over again? Are you freaking kidding me? I was missing X, ladder, put you there, and then climb up. Push that bitch over the edge. Fuck yeah, motherfucker! Exclamation point. This is Yay, fucking chainsaw! Fuck yes! Press the special key to equip. Yes! Ah, how nostalgic. I remember Father scolding me for playing with the That was my favorite pastime as a child. I loved playing with mini chainsaws. It was so much fun. Okay, now what am I supposed to do? What? What do you trip on, bitch? Uh-oh. I have to do something, don't I? Feels like something grabbed my leg! Fuck! No! Ah! I'm going to get dragged away. Fuck. Die.